Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leah and I'm super pumped that you somehow made your way over to my video. Be sure before you leave to give this video a like, comment down below any new video requests that you want me to do this year, or this upcoming year I should say, and then also be sure to subscribe if you are new. And also turn your post notification alerts on so you never miss another video that I make. I'm super pumped to share with you how to do wing liner. This is one of my top requested videos here on YouTube, my Facebook, my Instagram, all of the places. Be sure you are following me on Instagram. That is kind of where I like to do a little bit behind the scenes of my pharmacy journey, and then also makeup, fashion, and lifestyle. So never miss a beat. Follow me on Instagram. All that will be in the down bar, in the description. But I want to say that for Christmas this year, I got a brand spanking new camera. I'm still getting used to it. I honestly think that it's like tilted right now, so I may just have to hold it up. I'm still getting still working through the quirks right now. I am so not tech savvy, but that is totally okay. But this is a brand new camera, and so I'm still trying to work out the lighting and everything like that. But this is my first video using my brand new camera, so I hope it turns out great. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump onto the video and let's learn how to create a masterpiece wing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with all of the different liners. I am gonna zoom in just a little bit so you can actually see what I am doing and like the technique that I like to use when I do wing eyeliner. Like I said, this is a brand new camera, so there is a viewfinder on the side rather than the top. So I'm still getting used to that, so bear with me. But we actually have 5 ink liners. So they're black, brown, there's a cobalt blue, a navy blue, and like a blue-green color. So all of them are perfect. They are felt tip liners. They're gonna give you more control, especially if you are a beginner. So that's kind of like what I like to tell everybody is, if you're a beginner with wing liner or eyeliner itself, this is like the magic tool. So today we're just gonna go with black. I feel like black eyeliner is just more, I don't want to say traditional, but it's more common, I shall say, that's the word. So yeah, we have 5 of them. We're gonna take the black ink liner, and I'm gonna give y'all like a little up close so you can actually see what it looks like. So you can see how it gives you full control over the liner itself. So that is why I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so y'all can see the eyeballs. Okay, so y'all are all up close and personal. So I'm going to take my little Ricky and I'm going to put it right in front of me. So there are 2 ways that people actually like to do their wing. They either draw the wing first or they draw the line. Personal preference here, I prefer to do the whole line first. I feel like it's better for me to connect it, but there again, people are different and they like to do it the other way. So I'm still going to show you 2 different ways to achieve the wing. The first way is going to be on this side, and this is the way that I actually like to achieve it. So I'm going to start right at the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm actually just going to draw a really thin line all across my lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect. The thinner the better, because what I like to do is I like to go in and thicken it up. So start off small and then you can build off top of that. I like to make sure that my line is somewhat even, nice. Okay, there's my wing. You can make it a little bit thicker if you want it. Personal preference here, I like it the size of this just because I don't really have a lot of lid space. And so you always have to remember that no matter if you have hooded eyes or whatever the case may be, that you always, if you are wearing eyeshadow, you want your eyeshadow to be shown. So I don't really like to cover that up with a lot of liner. Now, if I am going for more of a bold glam look, I may thicken the liner up just because I may be wearing lashes, but just because I'm wearing mascara today, we're not even gonna bother. Okay, so there's my line. What I like to do is I like to cut back and I like to curve the pen slanted sideways. And because this is a felt tip, it does have an angle to it, and I like to tattoo it on the side, like that. Just slant it sideways and kind of wiggle it so you can kind of see the mark. And then you can start at the top and connect it. Look at that. Super easy. Sometimes I'll go back and I'll make the tail a little bit sharper, but this is like my preferred way to do eyeliner. It's the easiest way for me, but like I said, everybody has a personal opinion. Okay, so here is the other way that you can easily do wing liner if this is your personal preference. So instead of starting doing the line at the middle, what you would actually do is kind of do the opposite of what I just did. So you would create your line like that. You could even stamp it if you want to. And then start at the top, kind of close your eyes and kind of just work backwards, okay? I know that it did not go as far as I wanted it to, but as long as you can get it somewhat in the middle of your eye, it's easy to just go ahead and finish drawing it on. There, and then I'll go back. This eyeshadow today is super shimmery, so it's kind of rubbing off on the eyeliner, but I'll just kind of connect it that way. So this one's a little bit more precise than this one. That is why I like to do it the other way. I just feel like I can just get more of like a really precise cut and angle with the way that I did this other one. But this is honestly a really easy way for beginners if you are still new to wing liner, but super easy, easy peasy. Alrighty y'all, that was the end of the video. I hope that you loved it. I hope you learned something today. If you're interested in grabbing any of these ink liners, whether it's the black one that I used or any of the colored ones for any special occasion you have coming up, you can find me on social media and send me a DM, or you can just go ahead and shop through the link below, which is fashionablyfaithfulbeauty.com. And you can grab these liners for yourself. They're super affordable. I love them. They're perfect for beginners, and I literally swear by these things. But y'all have a great rest of your day. I love you all so much. God bless you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.